Open your heart and let the flowers bloom. Step outside and feel the wet raindrops fall. Look at a tree and be amazed by its presence. Look at the sky. Say thanks to the clouds. Observe the water in the far distance. Feel the energy that the flow presents. Look at nature around you everywhere. Be grateful for what you have, for what it gives with its presence. Feel the wind, the gentle touch on your skin. Feel the energy of the universe from within. May today, like any day, be a wonderful day with full of presence, laughter and joy as you open your heart and let the flowers bloom. Happy Thanksgiving.